The Port Townsend Municipal Golf Course sits on 58 acres of publicly owned land in the heart of Port Townsend. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon, and, as you can see, there are very few people making use of this amazing property. But then again, it's a golf course. Typically, a 9-hole course can only handle about 72 golfers at a time, and this course is nowhere near that. If basketball were played according to the geographical requirements of golf, a basketball court would be about 30 acres. From 2019 to 2022, the PT golf course cost the city an average of approximately $40,000 and used over 8 million gallons of water annually. The nearest golf course is 6.4 miles away, has great reviews, and is comparably priced. How much greater benefit could we derive from this amazing piece of property if it were accessible to all? How much healthier and more resilient could the land be in the face of human-caused climate catastrophe? On Wednesday, April 26th, from 5 to 7 p.m. at the Worden Commons in Port Townsend, the community will be presented with 3 to 4 different site plans for the future of this property. There will be an option to dump even more money into the golf course, a park option for all to enjoy, and 1 to 2 hybrid options. Please do attend this critical meeting, bring a friend, and make your voice heard on this important issue that will affect the future of our community for generations to come.